Hey planners, it's Teo Shantae Plans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning my March dashboard, which is the page that I use at the beginning of each month to track my sticker orders for the month, and I also track the monthly and weekly kits that I'm going to be using for that month. And so at the end of March, the last week, I knew I was going on vacation and I was super excited about it and already thinking about it at the beginning of the month. And so I decided to go ahead and give the theme of this dashboard page, make it very tropical, vacation, travel themed, because I was already in vacation mode and so not wanting to think about work. And so I pulled out this really cute travel themed deco sheet from the Sweet Planner, which I love using her deco sheets on my dashboard pages. I find them really inspiring and easy to pull together a spread because she gives such a great mix of clip art and florals on the page that make it easy for me to pull together something really creative. And so what I've done is I've separated the top half of the page into the order tracker section, and I just take a pen and a ruler and draw out the different columns where I mark down the date, the shop that I placed the order from, a short description of what I ordered, and then I have the last two columns where I check off once the order has shipped and then once it's arrived. At the bottom of the page is where I've been keeping track of the kits that I'm using for the week. So I started by just creating a really fun sort of decorative scene in the corner with the girl with her luggage and the florals, added in one of the quotes from Paper Trail Plans that I so love, their quotes, because I always like including a quote on this page, and I have some really fantastic ones from them that are just so inspiring and uplifting, and I love including them on this page. And then I just went about trimming the order tracker section, and I'm working on the header part for that, where I'm putting down the order tracker script, which is from Panda Bird Design. It's a custom that I ordered from her. And then I'm using this same trim from Paper Trail Plans at the top and bottom of the page, and now I'm just going in with some more of the florals right underneath the order tracker section. I'm going to create sort of a decorative header background area for where I'll put the month script to mark that it's for the month of March. And so what I like to do with this is just sort of embellish the word March on either side with some of the deco and then some of the florals. And then I also realized I really wanted to have this washi tape underneath it because I felt like it gave just a light bit of color underneath it, because it's a really subtle colored washi strip, but just nice to have it have a little bit of color underneath it so it wasn't just against the white paper. Which a lot of times I feel like that's a lot of what I try to do when I'm putting stickers on the page, is just trying to add some color to a blank white page so that it makes it look more layered and dynamic, and I like the look and effect that gives when I layer stickers. And so I'm layering the March script on top of that washi tape, and I layered the florals around it, and I really love the way the header for the month comes together. And then I pulled some boxes, and because I write pretty small, I find that if I put boxes on the page, it makes it easier for me to write out the different names of the shops for the weekly kits that I'm using and have it not look like such just like a boring list or like a really small list on a very big page. And so I'm just arranging the boxes here, and I have a mix of some scallop boxes from Crafts by Towie, as well as these bowstrung boxes from the Giving Girl that are just so adorable. And now I'm just arranging some of the florals around it so that it all looks really cohesive and the boxes tie into the whole theme, and loving how this is coming together. I also pulled in some of these florals, those foiled florals from Honey Inked, which I've had those for a while, and they're still some of my favorite florals to pull out each summer. They're so tropical and pretty. And again, pulling in some of the clip art as well to embellish this section, just to pull the whole look together. And I love tucking the florals underneath the boxes because it really ties them into the theme and makes it look like everything just perfectly goes together. And so a lot of the times it's just about figuring out how and where I want to place things, and just like playing around and trial and error. And I have a lot of fun with that. And that's how I created this page. The last little bit, I'm just going to trim the order tracker section with some more of the florals as well. And that finishes this. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next video. Bye.